Hey there, today I am sharing 5 carry-on luggage options for those travelers who want a bag to fit underneath the airplane seat. You may have bought a ticket on Spirit Airlines or in basic economy on United Airlines, and you can only take one bag. Business travelers, as well as you leisure traveler subscribers, have asked me my opinion on all of these options for one bag that will fit under the airplane seat. This video today is going to show you the dimensions of all of these bags, but I will not be considering weight for those of you in other countries. And if you need packing tips for any of these options, I will hook you up below. Thanks for visiting my Travel Tips by Laura YouTube channel. I'm a Houston area pilot wife. If you like this video, just click the bell and introduce yourself. Make sure you stick around to the end because I have 2 tiny little tips that will make a huge impact if you can only take one bag when you travel. If you want to get away for spring break and you bought a ticket on Spirit Airlines or United Airlines basic economy ticket that says you can have one bag, you need to know what the dimensions are. Spirit Airlines says that their bag size limit is 18 inches long by 14 inches wide. A Spirit Airline pilot's wife is a friend of mine here in Houston, and she said that when they went to New York, she and her 3 kids took full-size school backpacks. So you can just think of it like that when you're shopping. It needs to be about the size of a regular school backpack. A school-sized backpack should be around 17 inches high and around 15 inches wide. This is the school-sized backpack that I travel with. I got this on Amazon. They don't have this pattern anymore. To help you get a sense of the capacity dimensions inside these luggage options, I'm gonna put rolls of paper towels. When I do pack in this backpack, I usually roll up a good size sweatshirt jacket and put it in the very bottom, and it creates like an open rectangle all the way up that I can pack my clothes in. And the number one reason I like traveling with a backpack is that I can be completely hands-free, and there's usually a little bit of padding in case I need to take my laptop for some YouTube work. I do have some videos that I will link up here in the iCards as well as in the description box on how I pack inside a backpack. If you are only allowed one bag on your flight, I can also recommend this type of weekender bag. The reason I bought this originally is because this flap right here will fit over my suitcase handles, allowing me to still be one hand free walking through the airport. And it also has this little pocket right here that I can put my airport essentials in. I'll tell you some of the reasons I do like this bag. You can fit 3 rolls of paper towels from Costco. So they're like jumbo sized paper towel rolls into this cavernous weekender bag. I did make a review video about this and how I pack inside it. I'll put it in the iCards and below. But I can pack so many outfits along with 2 extra pairs of shoes in a bag like this. If you do get this bag, make sure you get the horizontal one. They do make some that have a zippered section at the bottom. I don't recommend that kind for me. I think it takes up too much space, but some people put their shoes in the very bottom of theirs. Be prepared if you buy this kind of bag, you will have to carry it on your shoulders through the airport. But it does come with a long strap in case you need to wear it across your body to relieve some pressure on your back. If I need to pack my laptop, I do not prefer to take this type of bag because there is no padding. When choosing your one single bag to go under the airplane seat, I would like to know that you have thought about the sizes of the different airplanes. When you buy an airplane ticket on Spirit Airlines or basic economy of United Airlines, those are larger airplanes. So the leg room and floor space is gonna be large. You're just allowed one bag because you don't wanna pay for a checked bag or a carry-on suitcase. You will not have any of these restrictions if you are on a 50-seater or a 70-seat airplane. Those are regional airlines. On those regional airplanes, you get an under-the-seat bag and you get a full-size carry-on suitcase like I have back here. I just bought this Travel Pro MaxLite 5 suitcase / carry-on tote, but it will not fit under Spirit Airlines baggage requirements for an under-the-seat bag. However, if you are on one of those regional airplanes, you can take your backpack for under the seat. This kind of suitcase will fit in the overhead bins. For my business travelers, they don't want to wait on the suitcase to come up plane side. So they need to get off the plane with their suitcase and their personal item bag. But I will review this bag later. I just wanted to tell you it's not big enough. It's even 16.5 inches by 16 inches. So small, but it's only small enough to fit in those small overhead bins. But if you are willing to risk it on Spirit Airlines or United Airlines, know that those are larger airplanes. They're Airbuses, 737s. It does look small enough to me to fit under the airplane seat, because we all know that in a regular mainline airplane, it has plenty of leg room. I can fit both of my feet beside that backpack when I have it laying flat on its back. So it's kind of risky, but you might get away with it. When you do book your flight, look at the size of the airplane and then go from there. If you're headed to a beach location for spring break, I can recommend this large tote bag. It does not zip, but my friend Elvie took it with us when we went on our girls trip to Nassau, Bahamas. You can fit 2 large paper towel rolls inside this bag. The fabric inside is a gorgeous paisley. The reason why my friend Elvie really loved this type of bag for a beach location is she can wear it lightly on her shoulder through the airport, and then it will also double as a beach bag. It can even double as a purse. The high quality snap is magnetic, but it's a strong magnetic pull. But then also you have these hooks that will go together and cinch it up so that you can wear it as a purse, making it a little bit more secure. If you pack this bag to its fullest, it will be about 18 inches by 14 inches. If you are a business traveler, you may want to use this type of an ebag. I won this bag about 3 years ago. But I would say if you pack a laptop, you can only fit a couple of clothing items in it. The storage capacity, the organization capacity is amazing, but that's an option. And this gray bag is really one that I would only use as a purse. You can see how much smaller it is, and I would use this as a purse if I was visiting a high pickpocketing area, because the back of it is the only way you can get into it, and that's going to be against my backside. There is always a tiny % chance that your bag will have to be checked for some odd reason. And men, the only solution to that I can think of for you is to stow a belt bag or a fanny pack inside your tote or your under the seat bag, and then pull it out if you absolutely have to hold your wallet, your headphones, your medicine that you might need. And ladies, you can do this #1 tiny tip as well if you are traveling and only allowed 1 bag under the airplane seat. Wear a fanny pack. If you do not want to have the fanny pack look, you can wear them in this method around your shoulder. Some of them double as a purse. This is a brand new one that I got. There are like 6 pockets of storage inside and outside, just so you know. So that is a hidden way to get through extra essentials for your flight. This is an old one, but I know some of them are out there. I will look for it. It is a crossbody bag, but you take off the strap and there's a little hole back here that your regular belt will slide through, and you can just wear it on your waist. If you are risky, you can actually wear a crossbody bag. Now, I would not pack it full. I'm gonna also list a bag down below in the description box by a YouTuber who's a flight attendant, and she recommends this crossbody bag. But you can try it, but just know that if they say something, you've gotta have space in this one bag to stuff it into just until you get on the airplane, and then you can pull it out and use it as your purse while you're on vacation. But if you want to risk it, that is an option. One sneaky thing you might can do is turn around your fanny pack to the back of your body while you're going through handing them your ticket, and that way the gate agent might not notice that you have extra baggage. On Spirit Airlines and in basic economy on United Airlines, it's confusing because they say you only get 1 bag. But if you're wearing just a little crossbody purse, it should be allowed. Like all of the airlines say, you cannot keep a backpack in your lap when you're taking off and landing, but you can wear a small crossbody bag. I just would not overpack it. The second tiny tip that can make a huge impact when you are traveling with 1 bag is to check your site right before your flight and see what the cost of upgrading to the next level would be. Like in basic economy, when you're going to check in, sometimes it says, would you like to upgrade to economy class for $5? Or a $15 surcharge at the last minute will get you all the freedoms of carrying a full-size carry-on suitcase as well as a bag under your airplane seat. So just check. It might be affordable as making your own coffee for 3 days instead of buying a cup at your local coffee shop for 3 days. You've saved the money right there. Let me know what your experience is, especially if you try to wear a crossbody bag on your flight. Thank you for spending your time on this worldwide community that we have going on here. Leave us a comment below, remember. And now it's time for you to do the work. Good luck.